The fireplace media wall has become the most popular living room transformation for decades. It eliminates the unsightly plugs and cables which accompany a traditional TV installation and has huge space-saving benefits for the living room. Wildfire are now proud to introduce the Ravel 1500 and 1720, featuring all the benefits seen in the existing range of Ravel products. These new appliances provide a cost-effective solution for a gas-fired media wall. The Ravel media wall gas log is available as a 1500mm or 1720mm appliance, designed to suit your TV size or room format. These products are suitable for a false flat wall installation or into a false chimney breast on any external wall of your home. A simple metal stud framework is used to house the fire and your entertainment system, allowing the concealment of your TV, DVD player and sound system, along with all the necessary cabling it requires. This is then lined with a suitable non-combustible board to complete the media wall installation. The Ravel media wall gas fire is a balanced flue room-sealed appliance, so it needs no chimney. A simple horizontal flue system delivers the air from outside and removes all products of combustion via a terminal mounted to your outside wall. The horizontal flue system keeps the installation costs down and excessive heat away from the TV enclosure, a feature most gas media wall appliances do not offer. A clever convection system powers the cooler air from the room through the appliance and into two vertical flexible ducts. The warm air is then released into the room through either a stylish linear outlet above the TV or to two outlets mounted on either side of the false chimney breast. The Wildfire Ravel Media Wall Fire will become the heart of your living room, supplying efficient warmth into the space you use the most, whilst providing the most realistic burning log effect. This is a cost-effective way of providing localized spot heating and avoiding the cost of running a central heating boiler to heat the entire home. The Ravel Media Wall is the latest product to be launched in the Ravel gas log range, which all feature a fully controllable and ingenious burner system. Coupled with intricately detailed and decorated ceramic logs, this fire really delivers, and its performance is mesmerizing. The Wildfire Ravel Media Wall is clean burning, efficient and easy to operate. A simple and discreet slide lever provides all the control at your fingertips. A swift lighting process delivers clean, fast heat conveniently whenever you need it. Its unique turn-down function simply extinguishes the log's rear burners to reduce the heat but keeping the flame picture alive. Why not contact your local Wildfire dealer for more information on the Ravel Gas Media Wall range? It could be performing in your living room very soon.